Which countries will successfully achieve the Millennium Development Goals? What policy decisions can be made today to increase the number of countries that will make the 2015 targets? What are reasonable benchmarks for UN Development Goals after 2015? The software application presented here, International Futures, or IFS for short, is a tool designed to help people think critically about these kinds of questions. Welcome to the institutional home of IFS, the Pardee Center at the University of Denver. IFS is a simulation that forecasts the interactions of key global systems for 183 countries to the year 2100. It can be used to study demographics, economics, food, energy, the environment, politics, and other substantive issue areas directly related to the Millennium Development Goals. As a team, we are interested in three kinds of issues. First, we explore historical trends and relationships between variables. We do this by gathering a large number of data series, hundreds from the World Bank alone, and analyzing them across time or in comparison with other variables. Find these features by clicking on the Data Analysis option on the main menu of IFS. Next, we are concerned with where trends seem to be going. This is sometimes referred to as base case analysis, or business as usual analysis, and it helps us evaluate where current policies are projected to drive human development. These results are dynamic calculations of the interaction across and within key systems, and over 20% of the variables used to run this model are taken directly from the World Bank. Explore these features using the display option of the model. Third, IFS helps us think about framing uncertainty in future trends. In other words, what kinds of decisions can we make today to shape the world into a better place tomorrow? This involves changing key relationships and parameters in the model to simulate policy decisions, and then to explore the results relative to the base case. IFS allows users to create their own scenarios using the scenario analysis feature on the main menu. Let's turn to an example. Let's say that we are interested in the Millennium Development Goal related to the percent of people living on less than $1 a day for Zambia. Go to Display, Flex Package Display, and choose Poverty as the category and Zambia as the dimension. Next, choose Poverty Percent Log, Normal, History and Forecast as the variable. Let's also change our time horizon to 2040 by choosing Display Format, Horizon, and Display/Run Horizon. Highlight all of the scenarios in the box at the bottom left of the screen and choose Line Graph. These instructions are repeated on the submission webpage of this project, in addition to identifying more support features for the model use. These results argue that Zambia is unlikely to reach the 2015 target of having the percent of people living on less than $1 a day, relative to 1990 levels. The space created by the different scenarios identifies that by 2040, the range of people living on less than $1 a day could vary from 15 to 35% of the population, based on policy choices and environmental uncertainties. IFS is also useful for exploring what the next round of UN development targets should be. These include a shift in focus toward the percent of people living on less than $2 a day and $5 a day, a move from full primary enrollment goals to lower secondary school enrollment, and a transition from singular focus on malnutrition to goals that also explore growing undernutrition from obesity. We hope that you join us in thinking about how to make the world a more sustainable place for human development by visiting us at www.ifs.du.edu. Happy forecasting!